Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two walking pads that will have you stepping up your fitness game. On the left, we have the UREVO walking pad, and on the right, we have the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade walking pad. It's time to lace up our sneakers and dive into this comparison. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The UREVO walking pad comes in at a reasonable $299, while the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade walking pad is even more budget-friendly at $259. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the DeerRun is calling your name. Now let's talk about shock absorption. The UREVO walking pad boasts double shock absorption with its 5 layers of anti-slip belt, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 soft rubber pads. It's like walking on a cloud. On the other hand, the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade walking pad features a sleek design with its dynamic LED display and remote control for easy adjustments. Time to rev things up with motor power. The UREVO walking pad packs a powerful 2.25 HP motor perfect for those intense workouts. Meanwhile, the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade walking pad takes it up a notch with a 2.5 HP motor, giving you that extra boost of speed. It's like having a personal trainer right in your living room. Safety first, folks. The UREVO walking pad ensures your safety with its 15.48 inches x 39.48, designed for optimal shock absorption. And let's not forget about the robust steel frame that offers stability during your workouts. On the other side, the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade walking pad also prioritizes safety with its multi-layer, shielding, and stable base. You can jog with confidence knowing you're in good hands. Need a walking pad that's easy to move around? The UREVO walking pad is lightweight and comes with 2 front wheels, making it a breeze to transport. Plus, its installation-free design means you can start walking right out of the box. But wait, the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade walking pad isn't one to be left behind. It's compact, fits under desks and beds, and even has built-in wheels for easy storage. Talk about convenience. Both of these walking pads have their own unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you're looking for top-notch shock absorption, powerful motor performance, or ultimate portability, both products have something to offer. It's all about finding the perfect fit for your lifestyle and fitness goals. And that wraps up our comparison between the UREVO walking pad and the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade walking pad. Remember, folks, make sure to do your research and read customer reviews before making any purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides. Stay smart, stay fit, and we'll see you next time.